Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering parts and making the initial electrical connections. Mount the fingerprint sensor and microcontroller on the bench. Connect VCC, GND, TX/RX, or SDA/SCL as the module requires. Once done, power the board with a regulated 5V supply and open the IDE. Load a basic fingerprint enrollment sketch to confirm the sensor responds. You need to see acknowledged handshakes in the serial monitor. Make sure wiring is solid and pins match the sketch before moving on. You now enroll fingerprints and implement the matching logic. Follow the enrollment routine. Prompt for finger placement twice, save the template to a unique ID, then test matching. Repeat for backups. Once templates are stored, code the control flow, compare match score to a threshold, limit retries, and set a timed unlock pulse. Connect the lock actuator through a transistor or relay. Add an LED for status and a small capacitor to smooth switching. Test each path until matching reliably triggers the actuator. You finish by mounting and thoroughly testing the system. Secure the sensor flush with the door or enclosure and route cables to a protected electronics box. Use strain relief. Upload final firmware with configurable timeouts, a manual override or failsafe, and persistent template storage. Test many open/close cycles and different fingers to validate reliability. If something fails, inspect power rails first, read serial logs for errors, clean the sensor surface, and add a watchdog timer so the lock recovers from hangs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.